Good evening and welcome to episode 85 of season 8 of Factory Town, where we are finally getting our books. Yes, they are done. I went around between episodes. I changed all the drop-off points so that now the books, industrial, nature, magic are all in one place, so we have another barn spare for all the different elemental magics. And I connected all this up and put a train station in here. So this is now producing our books, our air books, which is going to be awesome because that's going to give us access to magic web. And we want that very much. However, there is a problem. Well, there's two problems. The first one is that we don't have a train selling them. And the second one is that the train that actually drops off the ethers really takes a long time. It has to drive all the way around the entire track to get to the stop, basically to before. So it can never take advantage of the outside lane. I could force it on the outside lane, but I really don't want to do that. It's going to complicate stuff. So what I'm going to do instead is build another train. So magic up another train. Add that. And no, not level 1. No, level 1. I'm going to add air ether. And then this station has got wards and all the ethers in it, so yeah. It does seem to be producing them pretty quickly as well, now that it's working. It is just plugged in directly here for the moment. I can't do a great deal with that until we get omniplanters, then we can sing that. I don't know why I keep saying omniplatters, that's weird. Also, I don't quite know what I've done here. Why did I do that? Why have I haven't modified this since last time. I do want to change this up, however. I want to put this on the corner. I'm going to change some things here. You'll see in a moment what I want to do here, because you can do little tricks to speed things up. Now, every time a item on a chute has to go around a corner, it slows down. If you put it into a storage and pump it out, it gets a little bit faster, but if you pump it out on a downward chute, it goes even faster. It gets a little bit of a boost. So we can do this. I'm going to pause this here, and we can come back to here. And then what we could do is we could put another like crate in or something here and go around the corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the corner and do that. So it hits the corner and then goes slide straight down. So that's what we're going to do there. It is breaking this here, but this is only sort of a temporary thing anyway. I could also just get rid of this silo here, which I think I want to do, because I may want to add more lines in to speed this up, because it's struggling to keep up with mana and with stones, which is very interesting indeed. I think the mana things probably need a bit of a boost, so we're going to do that. We're going to boost them all up by 1. Give them at least a little bit. Oh, and then you turn a corner here anyway, don't you? So that kind of defeats the object. Anyway, we can fix that. We can fix that by doing... Well, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move this over here. Because I want to put in multiple inputs. So it just makes sense. Come to here. And then, oh, excuse me. Oh, we want to go this way. Oh. Into there. Into there. There we go. Okay. Right. And then we can do multiple inputs and outputs and things, and we can empty this silo. So everything can be awesome. Everything can be awesome. And we can have multiple inputs and outputs on here, which is what we want. We want more. More. got to kind of go over the edge, but no, do the thing. Do the thing. There we go. I'm not really following the rules. I'm trying to get it speed up so every time it goes around a corner it drops down by 1, but that's not really working here. Not really doing the thing I want, but yeah. Let's just turn that on and see what happens here. So maybe that'll be enough to satisfy all these. I don't know. Doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's still just transferring the same way. Yeah, there are all sorts of tricks and things you can do with going down a level and up a level and things. But every time they hit a corner, they kind of slow down. So dropping it down a level speeds them up again to go a bit faster. So there's that. It's I don't know, just kind of limited by how many grabbers can grab out of the system anyway. So it's fine. It's fine. I think we're good. I think we're good. We are actually filling now. This is good. This is good. We're actually filling, so we're getting enough in to constantly supply, which is good because that means we're going to have 2 trains going around grabbing these. They're only storing 100. I do want to store more, but I can't. I can't store more than 100 in here because of I don't have enough space in there because we're doing wards as well. So we're going to have to deal with just storing 200 and the rest of them on the boats, which is fine. Okay. Okay, so this is all good. What's happened here? Why have you stopped? You're not getting any nature. Why are you not getting any nature? What's wrong with nature? Not getting any nature books. You're not getting nature books because you don't have any herbs. You don't get herbs because you don't have any herbs? Oh, hello. Hello. All my trains have stopped. What's happened? What has happened? What has happened? Oh, the coal system has blocked the whole line up again. Yep. We really need omniplatters and or magma power. Where do we get magma power from? Firepower. That gives us the fire shrine. That's what we want. We want firepower. Magma power will allow us to replace all our coal. Replace all our coal usage. So we don't need coal. We can use magma power for fire, and it's way better. Like if I look here, fuel magma is 8, so it's way better, and it just uses a recharging system to generate magma. So once you set it up and get it initially going, it just generates magically on its own forever and ever and ever, which is fantastical. Right, what's going on here? Why aren't you mining anything? Because you don't have any underground stuff. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. This is probably the source of all our problems. I'll do it there. Do it there. Then we do one there. Oh, there. Boom and boom and boom. There we go. Getting all the coal. Okay, and then you aren't getting any coal because of where's the mine? Oh, the mine's up here. I can't reach. Yeah, you can't reach any more over there. That's a problem. That's a problem. Okay. Okay, we need to move the mine back further, but I can't move the mine back further because I could move it back a little bit and then run the stuff above. Let's do that. Let's move this one back to here. And let's do this. Then we can remove those and then you can connect to the rest of these here. So you can get all the coal now. Awesome. There we go. Okay, and you are running at 20 and you are running at 20. So we are getting as much coal in as is actually physically possible right now from these two mines. And our train system is going again. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add another up there so that doesn't cause them. I don't want to add a timer on this to move them on quicker because we really need the coal. What else is blocked up? What is happening here? What is happening? This is what I was kind of thinking was going to happen, is that we are getting to the point where there's too many trains. And the problem is I don't really know how to fix too many trains. Oh wow, you were supplementing the coal, weren't you? The iron. Yeah. I'm going to move you back to here. And carry on doing what you were doing and just take all the stuff off the surface. It will mine a little bit underground because they always connect to the things underground, but that's fine. That's fine. We'll just clear the stuff up on the surface. Okay. Could we do with grabbing like firestone and stuff like that and moving things up here in preparation? But we got loads of water stone here, all in boxes, so that's good. All the other stuff, I think I'm just gonna literally just pipe it in any old how, any which way we can get it working. However, we now have in here air tomes, so let's do that. So copy train. You want to have air tomes in depleted manner. You want to be knowledge. No, don't push enter because that does weird things. Add 4 box carts. There we go. And now we just need to go around and plug it all in. So I really wish you could I wish you could do that and copy it and then paste on top, even though it's the same thing, but it doesn't do that in this game, so you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do? We are going to come back to here and we are going to remove all of these. There's no... Yeah. Do that. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to come here. We're going to delete that and that wagon. Oof. And then we'll come down here. We'll do the same here. I have the game paused, so it's not all that fast. Delete. And the wagon. And delete. And then back to the start. Okie dokie, right. And then I want to move wagon to there. So, you want to be level 1. You want to be fire, water, water, earth, and air. So fire. Okay, okay. I really thought it would have kept that up. Fire, water, earth, and then one on top. Air, and you would be fire, water, oh, earth, and I keep clicking the wrong things. No task. Earth and air, and I'm not going to give you any tasks yet, because we don't want to do that yet. And what I want to do is then I want to just go tab, copy. And then come over to wherever we need to go to and paste it in. Boom. And it will paste everything with it. It didn't copy the wagon. Okay. Okay. Oh no. There. It's alright, we can fix it later. Oop. And oop. I really thought selecting that all would have copied the wagon as well, but apparently it did not. It did not, so I will. Boom. Move to there. Not even a wagon, it's a caravan. It's a caravan. So what we're going to do is then we want to come down to here. Copy. 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 Thank you. Come on, game. Do your thing. And then boom. Hold control. Boom. Boom. And boom. And then we just want to go around and go, hey, would you pick up everything and deliver it to the school? Because that's going to be your thing. Get myself very confused now. Pick up everything, deliver to school. Farming. Pick up, deliver to school. Pick up to school. And you up to school. Okay, and go. Okay, and now our train will pick up the books, and we'll go firstly to here and drop off 50. Will it drop off 50? Yeah, drop off 50. That's how we're doing it. And then it goes next one, to next one, next one, and then it will get to the fourth one, and then or fifth one, and won't have any on it. But hopefully, by the time it gets back around again, it will have some. So at least we can have some delivery. I just kind of want to watch it and see what happens. So we got the books. You're selling the books, which means we're getting research points, which is excellent because we really, really, really want research points. And we'll let that train go for a little bit, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm not going to watch it actually. It'll be fine. Okay, so with that done. I suppose we just need to do the rest of them, don't we? Yeah, we just need to do the rest of them. Now, water's going to be the very interesting one, because if we run out of water, we are absolutely screwed until we get omniplanters. So let's have a look at the omniplanters again. I know I keep looking at these, but requires tech level 9, so I need to do all of these at least, which means I need to produce some form of elixirs, but that requires crystals, and crystals require the temples. To make the crystals, you require the temples, and here are the temples. Here, now we can build our own temples, or we can use the ones that are already on the map. But when you unlock this here, it lets you move the ones that are currently on the map, because right now, if I go and find a temple, I don't even know where a temple is. There's one. I can't move it. If I go move, it won't let me. But when I unlock air research, air temple, I can move that. And that requires ether and crystals to produce air crystals, which is what we're going to do here. We'll put this right here. So the ether will then become crystals and then move out to crystals, which will be fine. And then the excess ether will go to be sold. That's the plan. Now, you don't normally need that many crystals. They're not really used in anything. They are purely like the mana crystals. They are used in a few things, but they're more like the mana crystals where you need to put them into a system and have them running power. So we don't really need to be selling or putting them onto the main train line. They are used in some recipes, so we will do that, but they're not going to be major. So I'm going to have these feed directly into them, and then once these have backed up, once the temples are backed up, we'll get the excess going to be sold. And it shouldn't really affect our delivery that much. It'll drop it down a little bit, but not a huge amount, not a huge amount. But in order to move the temple, we need to do the research for it. So the research for it, air temple, requires air power. Air power requires 250 research points and 2,000 nature. Now we've got 1.1 million nature. We're good for that. We just need a 250 air, which we'll get in time. Which we will get in time. So, oh, elemental jewelry can actually be done with magic. It doesn't require earth. That's weird. That unlocks the necklace. Interesting. I would have thought that would have been done with earth power. That seems weird. Oh well, let's do that. Let's unlock that. Boom, there we go. Got elemental jewelry done. We can unlock the air term level 2. Now they are way better. They are way better. They require materials, added materials to it, so I don't know whether we can actually squeeze that in here. Although we are technically only delivering like 4 things, so we could deliver at least 1 more thing. I don't know on that one there. We will see. We will see how it goes. Are we now getting some? Yeah, we get some nature in again. Awesome. So yeah, we just had a small hiccup on the nature because the train system stopped. Okay. So I suppose we just need more. We just need to build the rest of these, don't we? That's the thing. We need to build the rest of these, get it all plugged in, get it in its thing, get it around on the network, plug it in down here. So it's the same old. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna put the road back in underneath because the road should be there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, put it here. Then we're just gonna change you from air to earth. Change you from air to earth and earth, and then change you earth, and then go underground and have a look at what pipes we did. I remember. I like that. So we were feeding this way, which is nice and easy. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Okay, and then we need to go to the mana layer, and then I need to do this whole select block thing. Paste it there. Boom. Copy these 2. No, not copy. No, don't want to copy them. We want to move them because they've got stuff inside we need. Boom. And then just plug them both. There we go. And then we need to get some earth crystal into him. So, where can we get some earth crystal? Let's go to our ore data. Ore. There is earth crystal under the ground, earth stone, sorry, under the ground here. That's quite useful. I think we'll grab that one. That's the closest one. Yeah, we'll just grab this one. This makes sense here. Oh, everything is blocked up again. Oh, trains have run out of fuel. Not enough water. Okay, so I'm gonna have to fix that. We're gonna have to fix that. That's okay. Right, we'll just leave that going for the minute. It's fine. Right, click, zoom. Okay, build a mine. Put the mine smack dab in the center of that. Because why the hell not? Doop. Underground to the mining layer. Let's connect it all up to the mining layer. Because we can. And we should. Because it's good. It's good. We want to mine things. So There you go. Okay. And we want to have a packager. Because we're delivering... No, we don't want a packager. No, we don't. We want to just do this. Now, how are we going to do this? I'm going to come straight across. Can I do that? I can't get in back. No, okay. I'm going to come straight across. We're going to go down here. I'm going to go around the outside. And do that. That's entirely wrong. That's entirely wrong. Aha. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's entirely right. Yes, because outside, outside, outside. That is correct. Okay. I got it right. I got it right. I knew what I'm doing. I knew what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And we just want to go over there. There we go. I'll get you rocking that, and then you're going to start creating the earth crystals. Or earth ether, I should say. And there we go. You can then output into here. Now, why aren't you going? Are you filtered? Oh, okay. I did not realise they were filtered. I thought they just worked on any old fluid because, yeah, you can literally work on any old fluid. It does not matter. You do not need to be filtered because the only fluid in there is going to be ethers. So there we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so now we're going to get 2 trains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to set this to be earth ether. We're going to set this to be earth ether. Going to set them both to be magic tag. Magic without an O. Majoic. Majoic. There we go. Boom. And go. And they're going to park up there, and then they're going to fill up, and it's going to be a little bit of a slow thing, but it's fine. It's fine. It'll be absolutely fine. There we go. Okay. Awesome. And you're starting to fill up with that. Awesome. So you're running at capacity, which is fantastic. Now I could speed these up if I really wanted to, but there's no point because it's not actually outputting fast enough on the edge. But that's fine. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to stop here. Yeah, we're going to stop here, and I'm going to fix these trains. I'm going to fix these trains. Why are you not picking up? Wait. Is there no fuel stop there? There's no fuel stop here. How long has that been broken for? I don't even know. Wow. Fail. Boom. There we go. We'll put a fuel stop there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stop this train, and I'm going to let all the trains go around and everything back up on the entire system, which is going to cause huge problem. But we'll have a nice clear track in front of the train, so when we start this one, it can go, it can fill up, it won't bump into the back of them and start slowing down and doing weird stuff and yada. So I think we'll stop this train as well because you've got that give this time to recover. Yeah. What I could probably do with is doing something like this as well, which I hadn't really ever thought of. Going from the back to the front, because the back stations are not used anywhere near as much as the front ones. So it would make sense for the back ones to feed the front stations with water. And yeah. So okay. So I'm gonna do this, and we'll do that. I may do the other things off camera as well. The like the tomes and things, because it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same process of building the elemental tomes, and do the earth, air, water, all that, and just get it going, because they are literally all exactly the same thing. So they're just carbon copies of things, just require a different input. So I will do off camera. I will do the rest of these, and we'll come down here, and I will do the tomes off camera, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I've done them and how we've got underneath here. It's pretty obvious how I'm going to do this under here, but it's fine. And then we will come back with some research so we can start looking into, hopefully, magic conveyor belt, which will be awesome. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you again in the next one. And until then, as always, have fun.